Good morning. Justin here for the Avant-Garde Collection. Wanted to do a quick walk around video for our 2014 Toyota FJ. This sells tomorrow on Bring a Trailer. We love this truck. It is gorgeous, wearing new rubber, freshly detailed and polished. Army green looks fantastic. Everything about this truck is right. There's no damage on this truck, but there is a scratch on the front I'm gonna point out to you guys. The top is perfect. No repairs there at all. The damage I found is from where it wore a license plate, and you can tell the two holes there and the plate frame vibrated against the silver. So you could have that repaired or cover it with your plate, and I think that would be fine as well. This has been in the Rust Belt but didn't suffer any major corrosion or cancer, and it's just as clean on the inside, guys. No smoking, no pets, no problems. There's a little bit of wear on this bolster, but not bad. It's all factory stuff. Rubber mats. Dash is excellent. Factory radio. Truck has not been abused at all. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I like to look in the nooks and crannies to really determine if these cars are clean or if they were dirty and made clean again. It's really tough to catch every one of these areas if a car's been off-roaded. It's just tough to make them this nice once they're dirty. Pop the hood for you guys too. All the nooks and crannies are good in this, where you might find some corrosion. All clean. These aren't areas that are easy to repair, you know? And there you have it, folks. If you have more questions or want to see more pictures or something I missed, feel free to reach out. We have strong confidence that this car will sell tomorrow, so bid to win. Someone's going to have a fantastic FJ. Thanks again.